She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and hers the bands, girl. She a 10 or better, tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So today's recipe was inspired by none other than Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. If you guys aren't familiar with this channel, go check him out. He is a wonderful cook. He is doing some really good things on his channel that I just know you will enjoy, because I was inspired to make his recipe for fried honey garlic butter chicken tenders. So this is going to be a good recipe, guys, that you're definitely going to want to enjoy. Again, check out his recipe as well as checking out mine. So if this sounds like a good idea, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Always appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. so here's the finished product with Ray Max Kitchen and Grill's fried honey garlic butter chicken tenders. Once again, if you aren't familiar with this channel, please go check it out because he threw down on this recipe. I was totally inspired by it, and it tastes so good, guys, with the wonderful flavors of that garlic butter, then with a little hint of honey, and that's the heat that comes in there with the hot sauce. If you don't want to use the hot sauce, you don't have to. You can totally leave that out, but I feel like it adds a nice little kick to these chicken tenders. So you got that sweet and savory kind of feel to these tenders. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe. If you did, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed the recipe. Share this video out. I always appreciate that. And if you still aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.
I'ma do it anyway. Turn the beat up, want your bad love. I'ma let my hair down now. Wanna get down to my favorite sound. I'ma let you in real close. I know I shouldn't do